Imagine a user trying to set up a complex workflow in your product. They scroll through pages of support text and grainy screenshots, getting distracted and losing confidence with each step. This type of traditional text heavy documentation is a problem, leading to increased support tickets, longer resolution times, frustrated users, and higher churn rates. Luckily, with Supademo, you can do better. Just grab the embed code and add interactive, step-by-step product demos directly within your existing knowledge base or support docs. Instead of scrolling through pages of text, users can click through a guided demo, seeing exactly where to click and what to do at each step, reinforcing learning by doing. Best of all, updating these docs become a breeze. No more hours of re-recording every time your product changes. Since Supademo is modular and step-by-step, you can quickly swap out slides, change text, replace screens, or paste in new ones in just seconds. Let's try an example together. Just click here.